In the majestic Western Ghats, protected by ancient sacred forests, lie the origins of rivers Mula and Mutha, the lifelines of Pune. Mutha river flows through Pune, the cultural capital of Maharashtra, and gives it its unique identity. In fact, Pune began as a small village Punavdi on the right bank of this river. Over the years, during the Peshwa period, many ghats and temples were built along the river. These temples and ghats are cultural centers and important places to perform rituals. The Mutha has been providing water to all Punekars. It is also home to a wide range of local biodiversity. The river water and its banks create diverse habitats for aquatic and amphibian animals. Along with aquatic flowering plants, characteristic flora like the phoenix palms, bubble trees, and castor plants provide typical habitats for local biodiversity. Earlier studies show that these rivers are home to over 100 species of fish, over 15 species of frogs and snails, and a number of species of other small aquatic animals. Many birds, like the egrets, come to the green trees along the river for roosting. Unfortunately, our recent studies show that the number of species have been decreasing at alarming rates. Fish like mahseer, which used to occur in the river, are now gone. Only a few hardy species like the introduced tilapia manage to survive here. Same with the birds. Many migratory birds came here during the winters. Now only a few, like black-winged stilts, are seen, which indicate polluted water. Many of these habitats got destroyed due to developmental changes like channelization of the river and encroachments, even roads and metro pillars in the riverbed. With added pressures of pollutants like untreated sewage and industrial effluents, the river is slowly losing its natural beauty and ability to perform its functions. However, on positive side, we are observing an increasing awareness among citizens. People are now more conscious about where they immerse their Ganesh idols. They immerse them in the local tanks provided by the municipal corporation or buckets in the homes. Efforts are ongoing to install better systems of waste segregation and waste management to ensure it doesn't end up in the river. Nirmal Dhara, clean waters, and Aviral Dhara, continuous flow, are two important features of a wholesome and healthy river. Rivers are considered as mothers of civilization. Only healthy river can support a healthy biodiversity and healthy humans too. We hope with the efforts of conscious citizens and organizations like INTAC, Pune's rivers will get rejuvenated soon and also flow as Nirmal Dhara and Aviral Dhara.